Hello, children. Shall we start the class from the first chapter? So, what it is? Yes, it is the poem. What is the name of the poem? The Star. The Star. Shall we go through it? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. In the in the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep. For you never shut your eye till the sun is back in the sky. In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep. For you never shut your eye till the sun is back in the sky. Jane Taylor. So, children, what did we read? So, this is a poem about star. Can you see here? See, what is she looking at? She is looking at the twinkling stars. Is it a day or night? It's night, right? So, what do you see in the night? We see stars, moons, right? Do we see sun? No, right? We see moon. And in the dark, we see many stars. So, the author Jane Taylor has written a beautiful poem named Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So the author, what is the author saying? The star is twinkling, twinkling. Okay, the little star is twinkling. So, how I wonder what you are. What can I think it is? What is it? The twinkling thing in the sky. So you're so above in the sky. You up above the world so high. The star, where is the star? It is so far. Can we reach it? No. And how does it look in the sky? It looks like a diamond. Diamond in the sky, right? The star looks like a diamond in the sky and it is so high. And what does it look? So we are wondering, how I wonder what you are. So we are thinking, what is it? Is it a diamond in the sky? No, it's a star looking like a diamond twinkling all the night, right? When the blazing sun is gone. What do you mean by blazing? The shining bright sun is gone, right? When the sun is gone in the night, when nothing shines upon, when the sun is there, do we see stars? No, the stars will be there in the sky, but the brightness of the sun will cover up the twinkling stars. The brightness of the stars won't be seen. The brightness of the stars will be seen only in the night when the sun is gone. So then you show your little light. The twinkling stars is seen only in the night when the blazing sun is not there in the sky. And the twinkling stars twinkle all the night. Twinkling means shining. Alright. In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep. So, in the dark blue sky, the sky is blue in color, but in the night, does it look bright? No, it looks dark, right? In the dark blue sky, and when you look from your room through your curtains, what do you see? The twinkling stars, and it looks as though the twinkling stars are peeping, are looking, seeing, looking to you through the curtains, right? So it looks as though the stars are peeping through your curtains, for you never shut your eye. That stars will never disappear. They'll be there every night. So till and all the night they will be twinkling, right? So for that they are saying, for you never shut your eye till the sun is back in the sky. Till the sun comes in the morning, entire night the star keeps twinkling. Okay, children? Thank you.